Today I'm going to be replacing my radiator in the Volvo 940. Now it looks like, well, this is how to take it out. That's a 10 millimeter, unscrew it, pop this out. You gotta take this guy out. First of all, I gotta take out the fan. It looks like, now the fan screws onto it. There's a screw right there. Of course, another screw on the side. Hopefully this motherfucker just, comes right out, but I'll let you know if there's another screw that's on there that I don't know about. This is for the transmission line. It's automatic, so transmission fluid's gonna pop out. That goes to my overflow tank, and then there's another transmission line, and down there goes to the water pump. Now it looks pretty simple. I'm gonna knock on glass. Last time I did an easy job, I got my fingertip chopped the fuck off. So it's just a little, I don't know, it's like a love-hate relationship. Love, like fear, hate, hate relationship. A little bit of love, but more fear and hate. Anyways, wish me luck, man. Should be easy. Here's a new one. Everything matches up. Goes to the overflow tank, transmission, water pump, and that goes to the thermostat. Let's do it. I couldn't find a 10, so I'm using a crescent wrench, okay? That's all it is. There's the other one. Couldn't find it. I'm like, why am I wasting my time looking for this one? It's just that simple. So it looks like it was just those two bolts in there that kept it on, because I lifted it straight up and out. Now it looks like I gotta take this connection out, or I can just put it off to the side. Let me put my phone down and figure out what I want to do. Took some of the shit out. Now this fan looks like it's in my way, so I'm gonna take this guy out and kind of put it off to the side right here. Hopefully it'll be a good spot. Gotta take this. I found it. It's a 10. So all right. So yeah, I got the fan kind of hooked on over there on the side, kind of out the way. Now I'm taking this last hose out. Everything is out but this one. And I noticed on here there's threaded inserts, kind of to screw that fan on to this. So there's no it looks like it's not threaded on here. I'm sorry, looks like it's not threaded on there on the hole. So I'm gonna have to use a screw that a tap screw, a tap into metal type of screw, which I have. I don't know, most people don't have that on the fly, but yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to screw it in with my own screw. Fan is in the fucking way. Come on, fan. So starting to put it in. It's got these grooves down there that it fits in right here. It sits more flush. Now I screwed those in as tight as I can. I don't want to fuck it up, so it's pretty tight, but it's not all the way in, which I think is okay. Now down here is kind of a little hassle to get to, but this is how I'm doing it. It's a 7, and I got a little extension, and I'm putting it down here and tightening it. You know why? Because if this is not tight enough and everything's working and it's spilling out of here, it's a bitch to get to. So make sure this is tight. So none of the holes matched up to put this guy on here. So I'm gonna find some little self-tap screws and some small ones, and then just screw it in that bitch. So luckily I have some self-tap screws on deck, small ones, and they screw right into this little metal. Now I'm just gonna put 2 more in there. That's what I'm gonna do. Should be good. 1 more, I guess. Luckily I got this because this guy's gonna be in the way, so I got this. Now I need a great angle one. God damn, I'm fucking everything up. Sweet. Say, okay, I think I got everything on. Back in. Those are pretty tight. I might have to tighten those a little bit more, but they seem pretty tight to me. This is back in. Those are back in. I'm leaving the top off because I'm gonna let the air bubbles, I'm gonna bubble out the system and add some more coolant. That's back in there, and the fan is all screwed in, so let's turn it on and see what we got. No leaks. This is from earlier because I forgot to put this guy in there, so it's kind of pushed out of there. No leaks coming out the transmission lines. I'm gonna let it run for like 10 minutes just to make sure, and then add some more if needed. But so far it looks so good. Fans working, fans on. Sweet. Good deal. This is the old one. This is that JB weld I used on it. Look at that. JB plastic weld. I don't know, man. Look at that. Look at that shit. I put JB weld on there underneath and it looks good, but this plastic shit, I don't know about it. This Radiator JB weld, not a fan of. So what I'm doing right now is I'm bubbling out the system. I'm letting it run for like 15 minutes, letting all the air bubbles come out, since a lot of fluid came out and I added a lot of new fluid in there, and plus a new radiator, so there might be, well, there is air shit trapped inside the system. So this is its way of bubbling out the system, letting those air out, because if I keep the air in, the car's gonna overheat and it's just not good, you know, it's not gonna run. So I learned this from a friend. You can look it up. Bubbling out the system. So that's it to my video of my putting on a radiator. I messed up. I put it on cold. I put the AC on, which was not the right thing to do. I was supposed to blast on the heater. I put the AC on and the temperature was going up. So I blasted on the heater, which opened up that thermostat, and more the heater does something, I don't know technically, but it does something to where it pushes the coolant in other places, right? So which it went back to normal, I guess. Dude, I don't even know what I'm talking about. But it's a success, so it's good. My radiator's good to go. Put the heater on whenever you start the car on. Put the heater on full blast, and let the air bubbles come out. It should take like 10-15 minutes. So that's it. It's a success. That car's gonna last forever. Watch.